Is that a weave? Is that your real hair?
Bundles, bundles, bundles. Hit that plug up for the bundles.
What's goody, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna get into this look. If you follow me on Instagram, you already seen my before and after. The before is on the left and the after is on the right. Now, to get this look, I did go ahead and use Texture Crush's Koil Krush clip-ins. Now, I will place all of the hair information and specs on the screen, but right here I'm just showing you guys the hair straight out of the packages. So I got two bundles. I got a 18-inch bundle and a 20-inch bundle, and each bundle comes with 6 pieces. Now, I do have a coupon code for you guys. My coupon code is LEXISHR. Basically Lexus hair in shorter terms. But for my actual coupon code, the first 2 days you guys will receive 30% off, and then after that it's 15% off. So make sure you guys do check out that coupon code, and I also will be having a giveaway, so stay tuned to my Instagram page. Now, getting straight into the hair, I did go ahead and do my wash and go on my hair first, and then I just detangled and co-washed the actual bundles of clip-ins. And to install them, I'm actually starting from the top first. From previous experiences, I always would start from the back, and then when I got towards the front, it was a little thinner and you could tell that I had like hair added. So I wanted to start from the top, that way I know for sure it would be nice and full. And what I actually did was leave the whole basically middle section of my hair free, and that way so I can part in the middle to the side and just flip my hair over that way. So I'm taking the clips with the 2 clips, or clip-ins with the 2 clips, and I'm putting those in, and I'm kind of just rounding them out. So the way I'm installing them is like in a C shape around that middle section. And once I put the clip-ins in, I flip that section of the hair up and install more clip-ins. I feel like this is pretty self-explanatory, but I never tried this method before, so I wanted to make sure that I recorded it, just in case it came out dope, and it did come out bomb. So yeah, I definitely do recommend installing your clip-ins from the top to the bottom instead of from the bottom or the back to the top, if that makes sense. But for the clip-ins overall, if you guys see my Instagram pictures and also the beginning, you guys see that these clip-ins matched my hair like too good, almost like amazing, seriously. But for Texture Crush, they do have a website. It's texturecrush.com. I will have all of their information in the description box as well. But they do have more than just one texture. They have blowout crush clip-ins, which is like a blown out look. They have curl crush clip-ins, which is for people with a looser, bigger, like S curl pattern. They have curl crush clip-ins in like 613 blonde, so if you need to color them. Then of course they have the kinky crush clip-ins, and y'all know I would never lie to y'all, these clip-ins are the bomb. They're probably my favorite clip-ins that I ever received, because you know I always get like clip-ins and bundles and stuff like that that are close to my curl texture but never almost exactly the same. So I am in love with these. So y'all will probably be seeing these in my hair all the time. But yeah, like I said, if you invest in something, it definitely will last you longer. Investing is way better than just going for the cheaper thing and then not enjoying it and just wasting your money. These are long-term bundles, and they have different textures, different lengths and stuff like that. So hopefully I get a chance to work with them again, so I can show you guys some more of their textures. And here I just turned around to the back so you guys can get like the back view to see what I'm actually doing. Same thing, coming from the top down to the bottom and just trying to like measure things out and get as much hair as I can get in there. I do want to say, once I got towards like the nape of my hair, I did not add like an extra clip in the back. One, because it's just a preference. Like, I don't like to put a lot of stuff in the nape of my hair because it just, I don't know, I just don't like the way it feels. And then 2, putting like a clip that's the same length as the other ones in my head that are higher up will just make that one last clip in the nape area be way longer than the rest of the hair. I hope that makes sense, because you know the nape is lower than the other parts of your head area. So that one clip would just basically be super long and just sticking out in the back. And as you can see, I kind of flipped my head over just to see where I needed to add some pieces where I was missing a little fluff and stuff. So I got everything from the top to the bottom, and then what I actually went in and did is parted from my temple down to like the side of my nape, kind of, and added like a three clip clip in that area, because it just felt like I was missing something like on the side. And then like I said, also in the nape area, but I put it like on a diagonal so that it wouldn't just be like super duper long in the back like I said earlier. Once I did that on both sides, I was pretty much finished, and my fro is humongous. I do want to say this is a lot of hair, so if you're going to leave your hair out, you probably won't be required to use 2 whole bundles like I did. Well, I left out like 3 clips from, I had 3 clips left over from the 2 bundles. But definitely, yeah, be careful, because if you don't like big hair, it can become a little overwhelming. But I like big hair, so it ain't nothing but a thing to me. The hair is basically finished at this point. I just went in with my pick and kind of like teased and fluffed a little bit, especially on the pieces that were just hanging and looking like a little long and lost. But you know, basically finished, and I'm just showing you guys really quick where I said I left my hair out in the middle, and doing that C shape around that middle section of my hair definitely helped it be easier to like flip it over but not look like super obvious. I'm in love, and you guys see that this texture blended very well with my hair. Check out Texture Crush's website. Stay tuned to my Instagram, because once I post my actual coupon code, you'll be able to receive 30% off the first 48 hours. After that, you only will receive 15%. And then also, I will be giving away a bundle of this same texture of clip-ins on my Instagram as well. So make sure you guys are tuning in. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys want to see some more styles with these clip-ins. Love you, and I will see you in the next one.
Mine, I bought it, it's 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 mine.